A Stoic philosopher once explained that some people do not realize how powerful their presence truly is, because strength is not always loud. It is quiet, steady, and unshakable. He said there are 9 clear signs of a strong, intimidating personality. First, you are calm when others lose control. Your silence and chaos makes people uneasy because they cannot read your thoughts. Second, you do not chase attention, yet people notice you naturally, for your discipline speaks louder than words. Third, you are brutally honest, not to harm but to live in truth, and those who live in lies fear such clarity. Fourth, you value your time and energy, and when you set boundaries, people feel your strength because you're not afraid to say no. Fifth, you are resilient in hardship. You fall, you rise, and you keep moving forward, which intimidates those who give up easily. Sixth, you are detached from approval, meaning whether people praise or insult you, you remain the same, and this unshakable self-respect unsettles those who depend on validation. Seventh, you listen more than you speak, and when you finally choose to talk, your words carry weight, leaving others silent. Eighth, you walk away from drama without looking back, because you value peace more than proving a point, and that kind of control is rare and intimidating. And ninth, you live by principles, discipline, patience, and virtue, so while others are tossed around by emotions, you remain steady like a rock in the storm. These 9 traits do not make you cruel. They make you strong in a world where most are weak. The Stoics taught that to master yourself is the greatest power, and those who achieve it will always appear intimidating to those who have not yet found that strength within themselves.